clarity. I can also create custom properties and relationship types to build out fully customized databases. The available third-party integrations enable me to pull in data from Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, and more to supplement information stored in Notion. Overall, no detail about the look, feel, and functionality of my Notion pages has been left out of my control. While Notion excels at organizing information, I have encountered a few drawbacks during my use. Search can be inconsistent at times, especially within large pages and databases. Filtering and sorting data within tables also lack some advanced options. Collaboration features are lacking compared to dedicated project management tools, though Notion has signaled plans to improve in this area. Syncing between the mobile and web apps can be buggy, sometimes resulting in lost changes. The learning curve is also fairly steep initially due to Notion's somewhat unorthodox interface and organization principles. Despite these issues, Notion's strengths vastly outweigh the cons in my view due to the unprecedented level of control, customization, and flexibility it provides. I now use Notion as my primary workspace for managing to-dos, documenting processes, outlining content, tracking habits and stats, and housing all my notes and information in a unified but malleable platform. Because Notion gives me full creative license over how my data is structured and presented visually, I'm able to develop information systems that perfectly match my unique workflow and thinking patterns. The lack of preconceived formats forces me to design optimal organizational models from first principles rather than conform to rigid templates. As a result, Notion has become an extension of my cognitive capabilities by acting as an infinitely moldable external memory. For those seeking ultimate freedom and empowerment in how they organize and leverage information, Notion is unmatched. Notion is a productivity and collaboration tool that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, with many users praising its versatility and user-friendly design. Notion is designed to be a one-stop shop for all your productivity needs, with features like task management, note-taking, project planning, database creation, and more. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a member of a large organization, Notion has something to offer. One of the standout features of Notion is its flexible and customizable design. Notion allows users to create their own pages and databases, which can be tailored to suit their specific needs and requirements. This makes it easy to create a workspace that's tailored to your specific workflow, whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team. Notion also offers a range of templates and pre-made pages that can help you get started quickly, making it easy to get up and running in no time. Another great feature of Notion is its task management capabilities. Notion allows users to create to-do lists, set reminders, and track progress on tasks, making it easy to stay organized and on top of your workload. Notion's task management features are highly customizable, allowing you to create tasks that suit your specific needs and requirements. You can also assign tasks to team members and set deadlines, making it easy to collaborate and stay on top of projects. Notion's note-taking capabilities are also highly regarded, with many users praising its clean and intuitive interface. Notion allows users to create notes in a variety of formats, including text, images, and videos, and to organize them using tags, categories, and other metadata.